That's Jim O'Rear's Wacky World.
Hey there, boils and ghouls. Welcome back to Jim O'Rear's Wacky World, where nostalgia meets horror, and where my credit card trembles in fear every time NECA announces a new horror action figure. Today, we're diving into something that slices right through my childhood memories like a chainsaw through a porch door. NECA's Ben Cooper costume kid's Leatherface from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, you already know I've been following NECA's Ben Cooper line like a trick-or-treater follows the smell of full-size candy bars. The first two series were based on the classic Ben Cooper costumes that we all wore back in the day. You know, the ones that came in those clear plastic window boxes, smelled vaguely of melted crayons and despair, and featured a mask that would slowly fuse to your face from lack of oxygen. Yeah, those were the days. Back then, Ben Cooper costumes were the Halloween uniform. It didn't matter if you wanted to be Spider-Man, Dracula, or just generic skeleton number 4, Ben Cooper had you covered. Literally. They sold millions of these things between the 1950s and 1980s. Every kid on the block looked like they'd been shrink-wrapped in glossy vinyl with a mask that could double as a weapon if flung hard enough. Safety standards were optional. Fashion sense? Questionable. But magic? Oh yeah, magic was there. Ben Cooper's idea was simple. Why waste time on realistic details when you can slap the character's name right on the front of the costume? I mean, nothing says immersion like a Batman suit that just says Batman across the chest in giant yellow letters. So fast forward to today, and NECA has resurrected that glorious plastic fever dream with their Ben Cooper Costume Kids collection. And now, it's not superheroes and princesses. It's murderers. Because nothing screams childhood innocence quite like a 6-inch kid in a Leatherface costume. This particular figure is from Series 9, where NECA has gone full-on modern horror with Ben Cooper-style versions of Sam from Trick or Treat, Captain Spaulding, Art the Clown, and of course, Leatherface from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And let me tell you, this one hits me in the nostalgia and the heart. Gunnar Hansen, the original Leatherface, was a very good friend of mine for many years before his passing. So, when NECA dropped this figure, I knew I had to snag it faster than a hitchhiker running from a Texas barbecue. The NECA Ben Cooper Leatherface figure, it stands about 6 inches tall. It's fully articulated and features a kid dressed in that classic soft vinyl style smock with a molded plastic mask. The mask isn't removable like some of the past figures because, well, let's be honest. If this were an authentic 1980s Ben Cooper costume, you wouldn't want to remove it. You'd be too busy trying to breathe through the pinhole mouth slit while your sweat fogged up the inside. He also comes with a movie-themed trick-or-treat bag, because what's Halloween without a tote full of sugar and bad decisions? The packaging mimics those classic Ben Cooper costume boxes, complete with the nostalgic window display that makes you want to ask your mom if you can open it now, even though you're 50 years old and she's not here. So, NECA's Leatherface isn't just another horror figure, it's a tribute. A perfect mashup of classic Halloween innocence and chainsaw-wielding lunacy. Even though Ben Cooper never actually made a Leatherface costume back in the day, NECA's done an incredible job imagining what it might have looked like if they had. It's adorable and terrifying. Like if Kindergarten Picture Day was sponsored by the Sawyer family. So what do you think? Would you have rocked a Ben Cooper Leatherface costume back in the day? Or would your mom have said, absolutely not, Jimmy, you're going as Casper again? Yeah, I was Casper. So let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, check out my other videos reviewing the rest of NECA's Ben Cooper Costume Kids figures. because nostalgia this weird deserves a full collection. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that little bell so you don't miss out on my next retro horror deep dive. So thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, keep your masks on, your candy buckets full, and your chainsaws running smooth.
On the depth channel rears wacky world. As a UFO made of PVC, a werewolf and Denny's just sipping tea. You roast your grandma for stealing a sign, then hug a ghost dog. It's rescue time. His news is odd, his facts are thin, but who needs truth when the jokes all win? You'll take a tricky mugshot with pride while dressed as a Mando on the dark side.